Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to walk you through how to restore a deleted Jira project or a Confluence space in Atlassian Cloud. So if you've ever had that sinking feeling after accidentally deleting an important project, or if your team's Confluence space disappears, don't panic. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring them back quickly and safely, along with all your precious data. Let's jump right in so you can get your projects and spaces back on track. First, let's start with Jira, since losing a whole project there can feel like losing the keys to your workflow kingdom. When a project is deleted in Jira Cloud, it isn't immediately wiped away forever. Instead, Atlassian gives you a lifeline called the trash, where deleted projects sit for a limited time before being permanently deleted. This means you've got a window to recover them. Here, what to do to begin: log into your Jira Cloud instance and look towards the top right corner of your screen for the gear-shaped icon. That's your settings. Click that icon. It might take a second to locate if you aren't in the admin role often, but it's always there for those deeper configuration tweaks. Once you're in settings, look for the projects option in the menu. Go ahead and select projects. This will bring up a list of all the projects visible to you, but remember, deleted projects won't show up here just yet. The magic actually happens in the next step. Now in the sidebar on the left, you'll see an option labeled Trash. Click into Trash. Think of it like the recycle bin on your computer where deleted items wait before they're gone for good. You should see a list of projects that have been deleted but not yet permanently removed. Find the project you want to restore. Sometimes the list can be long, so you might need to scroll or use the search feature. Once you've spotted your project, look for the three dots, also known as the More icon, next to its name. Click on it and you'll see the Restore option pop up. This part's pretty straightforward, but make sure you're selecting the correct project. Click Restore and Jira will prompt you with a confirmation. This is important because restoring pulls back all the issues, data, and configurations that existed before deletion. If you're certain, click Restore again. Depending on the size of your project, this could take a few moments, so don't worry if you have to wait a bit. When it's done, your team can pick up right where they left off. All the sprints, tickets, and comments come back just as you remember them. Let's do the same thing now for Confluence spaces. Maybe someone cleaned up old spaces and one vital space got swept up too. It happens. Restoring a Confluence space is pretty similar. Start by going back into Settings and this time navigate specifically to Spaces. Again, this lives under your admin settings and gives you oversight of all spaces tied to your site. In the Spaces section, there's a Trash option within the sidebar too. Just like with Jira, this is the waiting room for things that have been deleted but not yet permanently erased. Click Trash and you'll see all spaces deleted in the past 60 days. Scroll or search for the missing space you need back. When you find it, look for the familiar More icon, those three little dots right next to the space's name. Click that and select Restore from the dropdown. Once again, you'll get a chance to confirm. If you're certain this is the space you want back, go ahead and click Restore. In just a few seconds, your space with all its pages, attachments, and comments will be back in the hands of your team. And that's all there is to it. If you ever find yourself missing a project or a space, don't stress, just head to Trash, and you've got a solid chance of restoring everything as it was. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment if you have any questions or run into issues, and subscribe for more practical how-tos on Jira, Confluence, and all things Atlassian. I'll see you in the next one.